Welcome back, everyone, to week 15 of the 2024 Trading Mentorship. We are going to build a trading journal today, and it's going to be easy. If you just follow along, you could do it yourself, but nothing too advanced. It'll get the job done. If you want something more advanced and with dashboards and pivot tables and all, like basically it formats all the data and does the calculations for you, you click that link down below. We have one price. You get access to all of our resources, all of our Google Sheets, um, like the trading dashboards, trading journals, and then anything else we create going forward, you will also get in there as well. We also have a life tracker, so you could like track goals for your life and steps you need to level yourself up, right? So we have a lot of resources over there to help you become a better person and a trader as well. So click that link if you want to check that out. But if you want to be hands-on, let's build one today. So Excel or Google Sheets, it's going to work the same. I think Apple's versions as well should be pretty similar, so you can follow along or do something similar. And then we're going to brainstorm what metrics we want to track. We're going to design it in the actual document, and then we're going to automate it so it calculates some insights for us, right? And then again, link down below if you want our created one, so you can just plug in your data and everything will calculate on its own. So let's get into it. Let me close this and should be looking at Google Sheets now. So first thing I do, I just skip that first line. So what are we gonna track? For me, it's important I do the date and the day. Now, there's a way to do that when you're formatting the columns, but to make it easy, we're just gonna type it in. So this is gonna be date. This will be day. Then after that, what do we want to track? Well, we wanted, if we're going to do different markets, back testing, we need to know what we're trading, right? So we'll just put a symbol. And then I want to know, did we buy or sell, right? So book. I want to know RR. And then I want to know the profit, right? And then if you are in a live account, you'll put a fee right here. So then you could come out with your final total. But for just this back testing, we're going to do just these right here. So let's just put a color and make it stand out a little bit, right? Okay. So now we have our dates here. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to call it journal. Actually, let's just keep it clean. Let's delete this row. Date. So we're going to click on A. We're going to select that. And then we're going to go format number. And then you could choose a long date. Or if you want to do custom, you could do custom date and time. And we could do, I like to do this one. Reason for this is I can see the month and the day or the date. I already know it's within the year, right? Unless we're going to be testing multiple years. And then for here, we're going to insert a drop down and go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can color them if you want. Doesn't really matter. So hit done. And then you're going to click this and hold it. And you're just going to pull it down to anywhere over 100 is fine. We want at least 100. So now our days are automatically here. Symbol, same thing. If you know you're going to only trade a few symbols, you can put a drop down. And then for me, it's ES. I'm doing lower risk, MES, and then okay, boom, done. Same thing. Let's drag it out past 100. Book, same thing. So buy or sell. Boom. This one I do color it just so I can see. Same thing. Go past 100. RR, we're gonna format that as format number. Then we're gonna go to just a regular number, and then I don't remember how to do this. Oh, right here. So if we do 1.26, let's say, what we want to do is only one decimal, so 1.3. That's how I do it. If you want to get in the fine details of two decimals, you could leave it. But now everything should only have two decimals going down. So 1.0, perfect. And then profit, we want to format this as accounting. So now we could kind of start building out our dashboard. So let me just put some details here. So let's go 5/5/24, 6/24. All right, so we have these 4 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then if it gets cut off and it's bugging you, you could double click and it'll just automatic uh, do the width of the text in there. So symbol, let's do just ES all the way down. We did a buy, sell, buy. Okay. And then this was -1, -1. That was a 1.6. That was a 1.1. So let's say we risked 250 per trade. Okay, so we put the profits in, and now we could start building our dashboard. So now we have data. So we want to do starting balance, and we'll say we're starting with 250,000 or 25,000, and then we have total profit. This is going to be equals, and we're going to do F2 through F. Yes, just F. And what that will do is just calculate all numbers within F all the way down. So I forgot to put sum in front. So equals sum, and then you're going to put the first one, which is F2. That's the first dollar amount, and then through F, so colon F, and that will calculate the whole. Can't even speak right now. The whole column for you, and then we could put, or you could just put P&L, and then count balance. So now what we're going to do is equals J1 plus J2. So we're up, right? Let's format this. Okay, so now we have that, right? Well, what else do we want to track? So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do over here, we will do average risk to reward. So that's going to be equals average. I think you have to spell it out for the regular one. Average, and then that's going to be E2 through E. So we're at a 0.2R is what we're making on our money, right? And then we're going to do we have that, and then yeah, I mean that's really all you need for a basic one without getting too advanced. So then as you put in Friday, do 2 trades on Friday. Okay, we did ES, we did a buy, and then we lost again. And then we did MES, half risk, we did another buy, and then we made 2.0. And then we made 200. So we're back at the 175 still, and we've had a big win here, which was 2 versus we've been losing 1. So it did bring our average RR up. But this is, like I said, this is just an easy back testing system. So you can actually start collecting data. We have an advanced one where it automatically calculates if you won on Monday or Tuesday. Do you win with buys or do you win more with sells? How much money you made? And then we have it all print out over here, which I could show you real quick. Let me see if I can pull it up. There's a quick glimpse at one of my past accounts. You can see I put in the time, all that day, symbol, buy, sell, how many units, profit, fees, and then our new balance, win or loss, how many minutes was I in the trade, and then if I had to deposit or take out money, right? You can see the account growth, daily profit loss, which days you won the most on. For me, it was Monday I had the most wins on. 90% win rate on Mondays. Thursday for this account was the worst. It was a 54% win rate, but if we look over here, you could see on Monday we made 2,800, and on Thursday, Thursday was the worst one. Yeah, so Thursday we won. I mean, we still made money, but if you look over here, we had 6 wins, 5 losses. Whereas on Tuesday we had 5 wins, 3 losses, with the better win rate, but we ended up not winning as much, right? So when we had those losses, it put us in a lower account. So that's our system. You could buy this. You could buy this as well as all our other resources at that link down below. This is one of the journals you get, and it really, really helps just looking over your account. You see how much you won, how much fees you paid, your profit percent, win rate, everything you would want to know, your average win, average loss, expected. And yeah, it's all there. You can see it was an uptrend. Even though we were taking losses, the account was growing in the right way. So link down below if you want to check this out, as well as all our affiliate links that give you discounts at certain prop firms and all that are down below as well. What investing accounts we use is there as well. So if not, build out yours. This will do the job for you, right? And then you could learn more about these and start manipulating data how you want to. So hope you had a good one. I'll see you next week. Peace.